Hello everybody and welcome back to Lessons Learned. Well, these are our star cards from the month of October. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. So let me share a little something with you. So in November, I'll be starting the 4x4 challenge. That's 4 cards or crafts over the 4 weeks throughout the end of November. Then I got scared. I'm in school. I travel for work. I've got church commitments. I have kids. I'm just too busy. But in order to realize a goal, you first have to set one. So bam, here we are. This card is all about love. It features the Pink Fresh Studio Mini Slimline card and Mini Slimline Envelope die, along with the smallest Pink Fresh Studio Slimline Heart Builder stencil, which I use to decorate the envelope. On the background of the card, I use the lovely Scattered Hearts background glimmer hot foil plate from Spellbinders to create those red hot foiled hearts. I also use the Spellbinders Just For You glimmer foil plate to create that sentiment. The Sending Love phrase is made with a die from a Spellbinders release. I finished the card off with a mini baby bow die cut from a Spellbinders die and a crystal. We are sending love to the recipient of this card. On this next happy birthday card, we feature the Pink Fresh Studio Slimline card and envelope die. The candle motif foiling features the birthday candle background glimmer hot foil plate from Yana's Blooming Birthday collection with Spellbinders. Our sentiment is an essential die-cut script words from the Spellbinders collection. We beautify the outer Slimline envelope with a Pink Fresh Studio stencil, and it is just gorgeous. And don't be afraid to mix and match products in different brands until you get your desired look, because there are a lot of hidden treasures and hidden combinations in our stashes. So let's be courageous. And here again is a closer look at that Pink Fresh Studio Slimline envelope that we embellished. You see here that we have a beautiful decoration on the envelope. We used the Pink Fresh Studio Floral Notes coordinating stencil set to stencil in these beautiful soft flowers and leaves on this envelope. And I mean, their stencil sets are just absolutely gorgeous, and it just took this envelope from a kind of plain envelope to just absolutely beautiful. And here is one final look at that beautiful card and the envelope set together here. And I can just imagine the recipient was just tickled pink. And I hope they had a happy, happy birthday. This next card is simply sweet. In this card, we use a slimline die from Pink Fresh Studio to create basically our card. And we incorporate a chocolate bar with sprinkles by using the Spellbinders Gilded Life Scratch Lines texture plate die to make our chocolate bar. And we paired that with the I Love You More Than Chocolate hot foil sentiment from one of our Spellbinders hot foil plates. We created a custom envelope with the Pink Fresh Studio Slimline envelope die, and there you have it. This card was certainly a sweet surprise for someone that is very special indeed. And this next happy birthday card is super, super special. This card went out to a recipient who was 99 years young. Can you imagine? Just absolutely phenomenal. So again, here we feature the Pink Fresh Studio Slimline card and envelope die. We have the candle motif using the birthday candle background glimmer hot foil plate from Spellbinders. Our sentiment, I believe it's a Pink Fresh Studio hot foil die and hot foil sentiment. And I think the 99 is from a Spellbinders font. but quite a festive card for quite a festive occasion. Happy birthday to this recipient. And our final card is a Slimline card. It features the Pink Fresh Studio Slimline card and envelope die, along with some glimmer foiling to embellish the card using the Spellbinders glimmer foil plate. And the focal point of our card is the Spellbinders Dancing Hearts dies, which created these cute little hearts, conveying the sentiment that I love you to a wonderful, wonderful person. Well, that wraps it up for us. Thanks so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed the cards and were inspired to just create and share. Stay tuned to our channel because throughout the month of November, as you know, we are going to continue the 4x4 challenge. Until next time, though, remember to bloom where you're planted. God bless. Bye.